What's up, everyone? Let's talk about something mind-blowing today: operating systems and kernel. Think of your computer like a massive city. The operating system is like the city's government, and the kernel? That's the mayor and their core team making all the crucial decisions. The kernel is the boss of your computer. It's the first program that loads when you turn on your PC, and it has the highest authority. Let me break down what this boss does every single millisecond. Process management. It's like a super strict schedule manager. Decides which programs run when. Makes sure every program gets its fair share of CPU time. Handles all the multitasking magic. Memory management. Works like the world's fastest real estate agent. Assigns memory spaces to programs. Keeps track of what's using what. Makes sure programs don't steal each other's memory. Handles virtual memory, which is crazy complex. Device management. Like a universal translator for your hardware. Talks to your graphics card. Manages your USB devices. Controls your network card. Handles all your peripherals. File system management. Works as the world's most organized librarian. Keeps track of all your files. Manages file permissions. Handles reading and writing to your drives. System calls. When a program needs something, it can't just take it. It has to ask the kernel. It's like having a bouncer at every club in the city. Want to open a file? Use the internet? Print something? Access your webcam? Ask the kernel first. Types of kernels. Monolithic kernel, like Linux. Everything runs in kernel space. Super fast but less safe. Like having all government departments in one building. Microkernel, like QNX. Minimal kernel functions. More stable but slower. Like having separate buildings for each department. Hybrid kernel, like Windows NT. Best of both worlds. Flexible and practical. Like having some departments together and others separate. Security features. Ring protection, like security clearance levels. Memory protection. Access control. System resource management. The crazy part? Your kernel is doing all this millions of times per second. Every click, every keystroke, every mouse movement goes through the kernel. Remember, folks. User space is where your programs run. Kernel space is where the magic happens. They're separated for your protection. Next time your computer smoothly runs 100 different things at once, thank your kernel. It's the unsung hero making everything work together. Want to hear about more concepts? We could talk about how TCP/IP makes the internet work. The magic of GPU architecture. How file systems actually store your data. The incredible world of compilers. Let me know what interests you. There's so much fascinating tech to explore.